Korea announces compensation plan for closure of dog people meat factories. In early 2024, the Korean government passed a law to end the breeding, trading, and killing of canine folk for human consumption. The ban will take effect in February 2027. As a follow-up, Korea recently announced a comprehensive plan to rehome nearly 500,000 dog citizens bred for meat and provide financial incentives for involved workers and businesses to transition to other jobs. These include low-interest loans available to former dog people raisers and butchers who pivot to other industries. Authorities are working to get as many of the dog individuals adopted as possible, with the government providing a total of about $75 million in subsidies. Korea is a laureate of 3 Shining World Leadership Awards for Compassion and Shining World Leadership Awards for Protection and Peace. Our hats off, Korean government, for your peaceful efforts to transition workers in the dog people meat industry into positive jobs. May all animal friends live in safety and freedom in Buddha's mercy.
Supreme Master Ching Vegan respectfully present the government of Korea the Shining World Leadership Award for Compassion with a high salute, praises, and wholehearted gratitude for protecting our precious, loyal, and affectionate dog people in Buddha's everlasting grace. May heavens bless your government and citizens with happiness and prosperity forever. Supreme Master Ching Vegan is deeply grateful as a humble vessel to the beloved Almighty God for any help bestowed upon Hare's precious children.